Investing in the stock market can be a lucrative way to grow your wealth, but it can also be a complex and daunting task. One of the most crucial decisions investors face is deciding which stocks to buy. With thousands of stocks available, it can be challenging to identify the ones that are likely to perform well and provide a good return on investment. In today's video, we will be showing you what are the best stocks to buy right now. Without further ado, let's begin. Apple Incorporated, AAPL. First up is Apple, the largest publicly traded company in the world, if you exclude government-backed behemoths such as oil giant Saudi Aramco. Like other tech stocks, AAPL shares had a rough go of it in 2023, as recession fears and soaring interest rates spooked investors in the sector. Following a rare 26.4% pullback in 2023, Apple now trades at 28 times earnings, offering investors a sound entry point into the $2.5 trillion iPhone maker. Dutch Bros Incorporated, BROS. While massive established companies like Apple can offer investors some stability, smaller companies have more room for expansion and can boost portfolios. Enter the rapidly expanding coffee chain Dutch Bros, which for comparison's sake, is roughly 0.2% the size of Apple, despite being worth about $5 billion. Revenue is growing like a weed, surging 48.4% in 2023. With initial roots on the West Coast, Dutch Bros locations are almost entirely in the West and Southwest, with 671 locations in 14 states through the end of last year. Citigroup Incorporated, C. Next up is Citigroup, a $90 billion multinational bank with both retail and investment banking arms. What Citigroup offers investors is twofold. First, it pays a healthy 4.2% dividend yield, which is a nice buffer for shareholders in an era of rising rates and high inflation. Importantly, that dividend is sustainable over time, with Citigroup using less than 30% of earnings to finance its payouts. Aside from its high dividend, Citigroup also looks like a value stock at current levels, trading for 8 times forward earnings and just 0.51 times book value. Amazon.com Incorporated, AMZN. Dominant internet retailer Amazon was also named one of the 10 best stocks to buy for 2023. The e-commerce giant had a miserable 2023 in which shares lost 50% of their value. The culprits included cost inflation, a tight labor market, supply chain challenges, and dwindling consumer confidence. That said, the market was far too eager to write off Amazon, whose crown jewel is Amazon Web Services, its large, fast-growing, and massively profitable cloud services arm. AWS has an annual revenue run rate of more than $85 billion. Walt Disney Co., DIS. One of the most important things to consider when selecting stocks to buy and hold for the long term is a company's management team. And with the recent return of longtime CEO Bob Iger, Disney has that in spades. Considered one of the best CEOs this side of the millennium, Iger presided over a series of wildly successful acquisitions, including Pixar, Marvel Entertainment, and Lucasfilm, before passing the CEO role to Bob Chapek in February 2020. PayPal Holdings Incorporated, PYPL. A time-tested and well-run financial stock, PayPal is curiously trading for less than its 2020 pandemic lows, despite earnings per share of $4.13 in 2023, higher than any year between 2018 and 2020. Shares were absolutely hammered in 2023, shedding 62% due to a weaker macro environment, and the loss of its lucrative relationship with eBay Incorporated, EBI. EOG Resources Incorporated, EOG. A return pick from last year's best stocks to buy list, EOG is a U.S. oil and gas producer coming off a successful 2023 in which shares posted a total return of 56.3%. Shares nonetheless are still priced like a value stock, trading for about 9.5 times forward earnings. Growth will, no doubt, decelerate in 2023. The red-hot energy market is unlikely to skyrocket as it did in the inflation and war-plagued year of 2023. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.